Liam Doyle's like a
Hello, Raven. Thank you, thank you. How goes it? I I was thinking about streaming on Monday, and I was like, nah, I'm green. I want to keep trading. I'm like, it's kind of nice just to like sit there and focus on the chart, or like, you'll see, but I've changed like how I trade, kind of. So I was like, oh, it's nice to just kind of sit and focus on the chart. And then I was like, and then I won Monday, and then I'm like, I'm just gonna trade until I lose, and then I'll come back or whatever. And then I lost yesterday, so. But how goes it? How's the trading been? Jesus Christ, we are overextended as shit. Oh. Honestly, almost bought right there on that breakout. You'll see, I trade a lot different now, I swear. Wow, that would actually. That would have been nice. Actually, that's a bigger candle, or it looks bigger than it is, but. Damn crazy that this war pulling up the markets. I've realized that nothing matters if it's not two of the. You need two out of the big three countries that actually matter involved. That's what, like, if it's anything with like the U.S., China, and Russia, you need like two out of the. Like, it can't just be one because it's like it doesn't even count as a war when none of the other countries matter. Realistically, I swear, it's like unless it's the two of them. Like, that's why the market tanked when like tariffs happened because it was between like fucking U.S. and China was the issue, and it's like countries that actually matter. But it's like when it's like the U.S. versus fucking Iran, it's like all right, no one cares realistically. I think it's all a facade or whatever they call it. Like, I swear, if it doesn't have like two out of the three superpowers in it, then nothing happens because it doesn't count as a war because it's like, all right, the U.S. will just absolutely blow this person out of the water if anything ever happened. You know what I mean? There, that's my take. But I know, are we at all time highs right now? shit, we are at all-time highs right now. Jesus. I thought we'd have more volatility, though, honestly. Because of the war, but I feel like we haven't even been. Like, we've moved, but. Like, I thought we were gonna be, like, big ass candles and shit, but. It doesn't seem to be the case. I don't want to get long right here. Oh, yes, it's a little laggy. Video pushing up. So is there a way I can... Honestly, probably would have been a good call to get it. I hate... God, I want a vertical monitor. I need to get another monitor. Oh, they finally fucking answered. Did not fucking send. Oops. I did not realize that typed twice. Let's see.
Connection lost.
Did it just make me... This is an absolute pain. What's going on, 12? How we doing? Just trying to fucking see if this works.
Order filled.
Oh, it does work. There we go.
Order cancelled.
Well, I lost money, but that was just to see. My fucking take profit trader didn't have any market data for like the past like fucking 2 weeks, but I just figured it out today. Or they finally fucking replied. Alright, now I can put it on. Nvidia's ripping. Welcome back. How have you been doing, Raven? I'm honestly kind of scared of longs here. What do we got news at 9:45 today, right? Oh no, 10 o'clock. Blue one account. I have Apex. From over leveraging or over trading or just a losing streak. Use that 10 now with Apex. What did you have Apex before or no? Was it funded or no? I don't remember. Yes, breaking highs.
Orders. Order filled.
I just want to go.
Order filled.
It's kind of more of what what I've been doing. I feel like we're low volume today. What the fuck is that? What is this? What is that? Gross. I'm confused. I don't know why it's showing my gross like that. Losing streak? Nah, I was going the eval though. What, like growing the eval? I mean? That's unfortunate. Is there stuff you can improve on, or literally you just think like bad streak? I feel like the problem with me goes back to confidence and entry. I need to learn though that sometimes I may not be right all the time, as long as I learn. Yeah. Confidence and entry, or like confidence in your entries, or like two totally separate things. Like just your confidence in general needs to get better, and then also your entries need to get better. Is it video fucking ripping up here? A little flag going. Confidence in your entries. Okay. Is Johnny here? That's a fucking good question. Or no, he's not here, but he's fucking sleeping right now. I tried to call him his phone. Like, cause normally we have to be in the call at 9:20, or you gotta like do extra cardio at the gym. That's the rule. If you're late, you gotta punish yourself. And I mean, he's fucking late, but I tried to call him. It went straight to voicemail. So I'm assuming his phone's dead and he's sleeping. So a real piece of shit. Wednesday too. Yep, a real loser. Wow, Nvidia's straight pumping, but ES is pushing it down. QQQ. I could have requested a payout before yesterday. Just one account. I didn't, and then I lost. But on this number 26 here, I was like over the 600. It actually feels like I'm like trading now as opposed to before where I just sat there and fucking like did nothing every day. I'm like taking a new approach to it and I'm just like I'm so much more like dynamic now. I don't really have like I'm just looking for flags and obviously like I'm looking at like the ES and the Nvidia to help for like confirmation and shit like that too, but yeah, like risk management wise, like I'm just basically put my brackets at the extreme and then I manage the trade from within then. Damn, I'm really hoping to get a payout soon. I hope so. Are you spending most of your time on like the evals? Jesus Christ. We're in a fucking pullback. Dunkin' in the morning. 2 is wild? Why is that wild? I was on the cut. I rewarded myself. I just finished the cut yesterday, so I've been kind of eating like poop. I've been not cheating because I finished, but I'm enjoying the good life for a little bit before I maintain. Well, we absolutely fucking dumped. I bought down there. Wish me luck. You bought like a long? Or yeah, obviously. You would have said I sold. Good luck. Be careful. Be careful. I don't really know what I want to do right now, to be honest. I'm kind of just waiting. It's looking pretty good though. Depending on, hopefully we can push back up through this EMA for you. I might have to go against you here. I don't know, Nvidia's still over its EMA. Oh. I mean, you have the VWAP there that might hold it up. It's not like I'm a fucking wizard here. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Hopefully it doesn't even give you the chance to get in. Kind of want to get in if it broke below like this guy here. Got like this flag going on. ES is ripping higher. Oh, be careful also. I don't know how long you're holding for, but news is in 5 minutes. ES bouncing off that pivot point pretty well. I mean, off the VWAP pretty well. I took it out of that, don't I? TP hit? Nice. How many points was that? I think 20. I didn't check. I bought it at like 95. 95. That's 05. Yeah, probably 20 points. 515. 95 to 515. You done for the day? Nice. It's that easy. Now you just gotta do that every day till the end of time, and you'll be a fucking billionaire. Wow, what a fucking push back up right off the 15-minute low. Straight down. For beginners with sensitive hearts, no need to ask, he's a smooth operator. Oh, God. I have this new strat, SMT, really changed my perspective of the market. What, like your new strat is implying, or like using, or implementing, I think is what I wanted to say. Implementing SMT. I know like the general concept of like the market like sweeps out on like ES instead of NQ, and that like means that like it can reverse from there or something like that, something along the lines of that, like shows that one pair is like stronger or weaker than the other, and the other one should follow or something along the lines of that. I know like the little basics, nothing too crazy. And how often? How long have you been doing that for? When did you implement it? Oh, it's 10 o'clock. I was gonna say that was a quick spike. Three days with a lot of back testing. Are you a big believer in black testing, back testing, or no? I can't say I'm a big fan of back testing, honestly. Back testing. I just I I don't know. Something about it just doesn't seem like I feel like old data doesn't matter. That's the problem. Like if it's not directly from what I've implemented, which I know like if you treat it as that, but I feel like it just never is the same. I don't know why. Because like obviously I went back through and looked at the trades I took, which is basically back testing, I guess, because I'm looking at old data. But it's like trades I actually took as opposed to like not trades I would have took. I guess, or I guess I don't know. Maybe I'm dumb. If it doesn't, then the strat don't work. Alright, well, I agree that the best way to learn is by experiencing the markets yourself, but I want to check if the strategy works from previous market action. I feel like the only reason your strategy ever works, though, is from discretion, no? And, like, so does it, like, are you using your discretion during the back testing? I mean, I guess, right? But NVIDIA trying to stay above this pivot point in the EMA. Otherwise, we are fucking selling off towards the bottom. Discretion is a big word. What does that mean? Discretion is like your intuition, kind of like you use. It's like basically your experience from looking at the chart or whatever to determine whether the entry like seems on or off, or like if you should take it. And like sometimes there's not a real reason that you can say, like if you're not going for straight like black and white. Because I feel like to have a straight black and white system is so hard to like beat the market, because then that means you could literally just program an algorithm to do it. But if you have like discretion involved, then you kind of just, it's more off of like feel and market conditions and experience, or like what's setting up and how it's looking, or like sometimes you just don't like a trade because you're like, I don't know, I just don't like it because of like something you can't explain. It's just like you don't like it for whatever reason, and then you don't take it. It's kind of like that. No way, it's him. Hello, FFs. How we doing? How are we? NVIDIA pumping. ES pumping. Was just thinking. Oh yeah, that makes sense. Was just thinking about Mike this AM. Oh yeah, didn't think you'd be back so soon. Ooh, yes, made a higher level. I think you made maybe a good time to buy. I'm still looking for longs, but I honestly want to see it come back up to like this level first, the 530s. And then I'd probably get long above here, maybe, depending on what everything else is doing. Yeah, I'm back, FFs. I had like, I changed my strategy. What, I think I stopped trading on like a Thursday or a Friday. And I was like, alright, I gotta figure some shit out. Or Thursday. I was green Thursday, and then I was like, alright, I'm gonna stop streaming. And then I was green Friday, and then all last week I was green every day. And then I was like, oh, I was planning on just gonna come back Monday, and because I was like, all right, I think I figured out what I wanted to, and I just want to like try it on my own and whatever. And then I was like, do I want to stream Monday? And I'm like, nah, I don't want to stream until I have a red day or whatever. And then I was green Monday, but then I had a red day yesterday, so I was like, all right, I'll come back and stream. Honestly, not loving the price action these past 2 days. Fucking yesterday, it chopped around all day, and then as soon as I got off the charts, it started fucking trending. I was not pissed, but like literally right at 11 yesterday, it had a fucking great. Let me see. Let me just scroll back. Let me see if I can find it. Was yesterday June 25th? Is that how long that fucking took to scroll back? What's today's date? Yeah. It's like right at 11. I sat there all day and got chopped up a little bit. I got in right at market open, and then I fucking missed my fill by like a fucking tick, and then the day was just over from there. But literally, like right at 11, it finally had a good fucking dip. Like I got in on this, lost on here. And I don't know if I got it on that. I don't think so. But like then I like shut it off like here after like this big rip down, or maybe this big rip down, And then it literally like right after that was just boom, and then another good flag, trend up, good flag, trend up. That wasn't really a flag, but it's like it literally was just fucking shit. And then as soon as I get off the charts, I'm like, oh my lord. Right, I was mad. Powell decided to make the market so lame, yeah. No, when Powell testifies, it likes to chop. Why? Like, is this a normal occurrence he's testifying? Or, like, is this like a random thing that's going on that he's testifying this week? Or, like, is this a normal thing that happens every year? Like, what is he even testifying against? I don't even know. Or, like, I don't even know if I'm saying the terms right.
Connection.
Ugh, my bad. My bad. God, I gotta move out so bad. Nope. Oh, good lord. Good lord. Oh, we're finally starting to get out of this 15-minute range, though. Is Powell talking just like? Does he just talk for the rest of the day? Like, how does that even work? Or like, is it an hour? Is it fucking a half hour? Is it 20 minutes? Is it every day this week too, or not? Let's see. Tomorrow. No. Friday. No. Okay, so it's just what's yesterday and today.
Order filled.
Do I not have a fucking stop loss? Oh, it's right there. I fucking could not see it. I'm retarded. See what happens.
Order filled.
Nope. I don't like. I don't know why this number is so big. This number is fucked up. It's this. I buy, you sell. Everything is fucking Nvidia is fucking me up right now. Like, I want to short again. I'm okay, like, getting back in. Oh, is she gonna go right now? I don't know. Nvidia is fucking pushing higher. Making me nervous. against me. I buy, you sell. Well, clearly you're the one doing it right now. God, Nvidia's pumping. Holy. We are pumping. I might buy right here, maybe after a strong close past the 22,490s. I just feel like we had so much resistance up there. 15-minute range, EMAs, VWAP. But I hope it works if you do. Unless I get short. Oops. I don't know. I think below like these 75s. Try a short.
Order filled.
If it doesn't go here, I might close. We took out the low. I don't know if the flush past the low or not. I don't want the reverse.
Stop filled.
Fuck. Got a quick 25 points, short from 93. Nice. For more with these Pal days chop. Is this how it normally goes on these days? I didn't really know if like I should expect anything differently. I mean, I'm red now, but I'm barely red. Or $80. I mean, or besides this one, but I'm trading 3 contracts with this one. Because it's a eval. I got the push low. I gotta remember what I, that's 5 days, yes. Yeah. I gotta remember, I saw some podcasts and they were talking about like the VIX. And I gotta be more willing to take points when the VIX is low. Nice protect. Yeah. Well, that's the thing. Like, this is what I more have been working on, Bruno. I've been like more just like getting in and out when I think I should, honestly. Just trying to I'm more of like turned into like a scalper, honestly. Depending on inflation or something. He is thinking about Fed cut rates. I gotcha. But yeah, I feel like I gotta look at the VIX more, because, I mean, what? How many points did I get from that fucking... Not many. Let me see. My fucking trading view has been pissing me off. My trading view, like, doesn't save anymore. Every time I try to save, it just fucking... freaks out. Or it doesn't freak out, but it just won't let me save. It just says, failed to save, try again, and then it just never works. So then every day I have to fucking add the shit on that I want. It's so annoying. But for fuck's sakes. Let me see. Hold on. This is a fucking ordeal. But it's like, how many points is that?
Stop filled.
The fuck was that? Why the fuck did that? What? Why was I still in on that one? That's fucking retarded. I don't even know. I hope that's a glitch. We'll see. Well, nothing I can do about it. But, what? I got short here at the very bottom of this candle. I mean, that's... Wait. I'm going to start on, like, low VIX days, which it is today. I'm going to start just, like, taking 10 points, honestly. I feel like we're less likely to run. Fuck's sakes. Long gone. Is today and yesterday been like the worst 2 days since in the past like week and a half, or no? What do you guys think? I feel like today has been choppy as well. little too early on that. Not gonna lie, not really. I mean, really, not really, in my opinion. Oh, you don't think the last 2 days have been the last or the worst? I feel like these last 2 days have been fucking choppy as shit, but maybe I'm skewed. I really hope that's a bug, because if so, it's fucking stupid. I don't know why it would have kept me in. Yesterday I had a killer long, but wasn't till J-Pass shut up. Yeah, right at that 11 o'clock mark. Was that where it was? Is Johnny here? No, he's fucking sleeping in bed. I tried to call him, but he didn't answer, so. Has his trading been? He hasn't had all green days, or like besides yesterday and maybe today, depending on what happens. Um, like for me, but he hasn't had all green days, but he's been green. Like he's been good, better. God, Nvidia's pushing up to fucking R4. God damn. God damn. Honestly, I don't even know if I want to fucking take another trade. I mean, I do, obviously, but I don't know. I don't even know what I'm looking for. If this comes back short below this again, is that a... I just feel like it's too bad to get in chop here. I have to wait for like the break of this. Ugh. Oh, choppy day. And we're going back into the middle of the 15 minutes range. feel like there's not much you can do right now. I feel like it's just kind of wait. See if stuff that happens. It's boring. I finished my cut. I lost 30 pounds. It's very exciting. Now I can eat like a fat pig again. Honestly, losing weight not as hard as everybody makes it seem, I swear. I thought it was going to be like some whole ordeal because I heard from my entire life that it's hard to lose weight and fat people make excuses. And then you go out there and then it's like, oh, all I have to do is eat less calories than I burned, and then you do that and you're like, oh, that wasn't that hard. This sucks. Did we have a big move in the pre-market session again? Or the overnight, or whatever the fuck it's called? Yeah, I mean... Yeah. We started at like 350s or something? Or 400s, and we moved all the way up to... like 150 points. This is not crazy. Whoops. You can't tell me this price action is not slower than it's been. And what is this? From 10:15 to fucking last 30 minutes is we're just in one giant fucking bear flag. Oh, this sucks. Is anybody actually taking trades in this? I mean, that's a good pump up, I guess. That looks better on ES. Dude, is Nvidia just gonna go higher forever? God damn. Oh, God. Okay. Let me pay attention. Maybe there'll be a good setup in the last, like, 15 minutes. Oh, boy. Jesus. I can't believe this kid's gonna sleep through the entire fucking New York session. What a piece of shit. And right back down. See what happens. I know how this works. I get bored now. It's 10:50. I'm like, oh, I'll call it quits. Even though my cutoff time's 11, and then fucking 11 shows up. Or then I look back in 10 minutes, and then there was a fucking beautiful setup. It happens all the time, so I actually have to sit here and wait till 11. Even though nothing's happening. Might as well do my daily dollar. I haven't done it in forever. Popping off. I understand. This shit sucks. I mean, we're right back into the zone. Oh, we're actually right at the fucking VWAP. I feel like when you're right at the VWAP a lot of times during the day, you just know it's a choppy day. Like, you're just constantly hovering around the VWAP or keep touching the VWAP. I feel like that's how you determine if it's a choppy day. VWAP's literally fucking sideways right now. I mean, we're pushing lower, but... Man, that was fun. Why couldn't that have been last time? Oh, why did I hit that? Oh my god, I'm an idiot. Whoa. You streaming tomorrow? I think so. Honestly, I don't even know if I like streaming, honestly. I have nothing to talk, like, I just don't know how people, like, I'm just such not a chatter. So I don't know, like, I just don't know how people live stream every day. I'm like, I got nothing to talk about. Like, I don't like to tell stories because I think everything's fucking boring. And I don't know. What am I supposed to comment on the chart? Like, I just don't know what people do. Honestly, I don't know if I like streaming. Like, I don't mind putting out videos and stuff, but I don't know. Just your presence, Michael? Yeah, but I literally just sit there. I'm on my fucking phone because I'm so bored. Like, I feel like when you care more about trading than like YouTube or like streaming, it just like makes it not fun, or not fun. Like it's I'm like indifferent to it. You know what I mean? Like it's just I don't know. Like it's fine to do, but it's not really doing anything for me. Or like it's not like a. I just feel bad. Honestly, I sit there. I'm just on my phone. I'm like I don't know. I don't know what to fucking say. I don't know what to do. Not. It's not like I'm fucking trying to run a production show here. I'm sitting in my mom's basement. Like I think I have decent insight. I mean, realistically, I have more payouts than most people, and like trade more accounts than most people. But I feel like I just like if I don't provide any value during like fucking live stream. Like I feel like I have do a decent job of like talking about stuff like in videos, but I feel like I have like decent concepts for like videos of like when I talk, it's not completely brain dead like regurgitated shit. Because I feel like you watch some trading videos and you're like, man, does everybody just say the same fucking thing? You're realistic. That's why nothing over the top. Yeah, but I feel like you need to be over the top to like, or not like need to be over the top, but like, I feel like that's what people want. You know what I mean? Like you see so many people, and I'm like, damn, these people like literally all like just like fucking sell their soul, not like sell their soul, but like I don't know. So many people are like and can't trade. Most of them, yeah, sure. Most people can't trade, but so many people like I don't know. They're just like so over the top. They're just like you're just a monkey. It's like, oh, I'm a fucking dancing monkey. I'm the like circus clown. Look at me, and like I just think that's fucking retarded. I have like way too much fucking shame to do that. But like that's what gets views though. That's like the thing. It's like even like Pat. That's what Pat did. Like he just goofs out. Like obviously he's fucking really good at trading too. But like also he like has like a show or whatever. Like he sits there and like then he like just like does stuff for fun. Like he's a big like troll on the internet and shit like that. And like talks shit and like gets offended and stuff like that. And like has freakouts for like moments so people like watch him and like oh that's funny or whatever. But like I don't care what people say in the chat because like I don't know, like I don't get angry easily or anything like that. Like people just get like pissed off and like make random drama and shit, and I just like don't care or could be bothered less. Like it's like if I ever get views, it'll just be from like strictly like being good at trading. You know what I mean? Like it's not entertainment aspect. God, we are still just fucking shopping here. And like I feel like streaming. I don't even know how people get viewers streaming. Honestly, like I feel like it's so hard to get viewers streaming. Like it's easier to get views. Like obviously, but it's so much easier to get views like on videos. Like this doesn't look like a terrible short if we weren't fucking shopping all day. And we're like right at fucking VWAP, but I don't know. Is this like accumulation, manipulation, distribution? Is that what the kids say? I want to short this so bad. I thought you were done FFs. But I don't know. I agree, honestly. Like, I could think of taking a short if we were to come back and like break this, honestly. And we got the flag. It's 11 o'clock, which sometimes we get movement at 11 o'clock. I feel like we have room to the downside. Yeah, I am done. But being stuck at VWAP, it doesn't fly with me. I'm in like the same boat. But it's like we're trying to get above the 15-minute range. We can't. I think I might get in if it comes down. Like below this, what is this, the 85s? Can I make a... Oh. Let's see if I start using this. I was gonna say, I don't like a... But... if this comes back down to like... Yeah, like the 85s, breaks below. I could think about it. I mean, I think we might reject off this pivot point on NVIDIA and ES where we're kind of pushing up. I don't know. But yeah, the VWAP is not enticing me. Lock in, dude? It's time to lock out. This is like... It's the very end of the day here. I mean, I'm just waiting to see what we do right here. If we break below this, I could get in. And then I might just be quick to cut it if we don't fucking dump right through. But it's about to be fucking day over. ES is dropping like a fly. NVIDIA trying to stay below this pivot. Yes, bouncing off the VWAP yet again. Might give this a stab if we break the 85s. Let's hold the ends. Seems a little gay. NVIDIA kind of rejecting this pivot point. ES looking like it could fall through. Might just be quick to cut it if it doesn't go right away, honestly. But we'll see. See what happens.
Order filled.
Let's see. NVIDIA's dropping like a fly. Yeah, starting to go. see what happens. See if we can get it to run a little bit. Just don't want to give it any room. It's just so fucking choppy. Breaking the low. Let's see if we can actually get it to run or not. I'm gonna wait for this candle to put in what I think is the top wick, assuming it doesn't go all the way, and then I'm gonna drag to there. Yeah. Just so choppy. VIX is low. I'm not gonna give it a lot of space, honestly. If it wants to keep running, I'm just gonna keep dragging candle by candle. If that is the case, we might get stopped out right here, though. See what happens. Nvidia breaking the low right here, honestly. Maybe we see a fucking dump. Bro was trading emotions USD. What are you talking about? I literally just said exactly what I did. What was emotional about this? Oh shit, now I'm emotional. Okay.
Stop filled.
I'll take that, honestly. There's no way. I don't know how that was emotional. I thought that was pretty good. It's fucking low VIX and we've been chopping. I don't know what about that is emotional. I mean, let's see if it fucks me up. Let's see if I could have kept dragging depending on what happens. You're thinking of getting off to... Dude, FF, this is exactly what we were talking about yesterday. Of like 11 o'clock hits, and then like the move happened right as soon as you get up, so I was like, alright, let's wait. Yeah, I probably would have been stopped out here anyways, so... Unless I didn't drag up yet, but... I mean, obviously I did. Like, assuming I was following candle. Because normally I like to wait for it to put in a bottom wick first, and then keep going. Yeah. I'm okay with that. I mean... What? I got out here. Shorted there. The 85s. Got out at the 66s. It's not bad. Move stop loss to break even after 2 points in profits is in emotions. Depend. I mean, when you're scalping, I also close very quickly too, Sam. So it's like I got short here. I'm not afraid to cut losers short. Yeah. See, like I shorted here 78s, and then sold it 6 points later. My brackets are just for the extremes, and I just manage the trade while like manually from there. You know what I mean? Bro, defo 200 plus pounds again? Dude, trader backtest. I fucking dropped 30 pounds. I hit my goal weight of 180. I was 179.8 yesterday. This guy comes in here, says, I'm trading emotions. I'm not actually. If I wouldn't be here. Not actually. If I was, I wouldn't be here watching YouTube. Yeah, what, if you weren't profitable? I'm joking, brother. You actually look good. I can see your face. Thank you. He's actually being nice. What a sweetheart. Even I have, like... I don't have, like, great abs, but I actually have abs now, too. It's kind of cool. I think if I lost, like, 10 more pounds, I'd look really lean. Problem is I don't have enough muscle. I didn't put enough muscle before I bulked. I would smoke you and I watch you on the mail. What do you mean you'd smoke me? No problem, time to go to sleep now? Dude, it's fucking 11 in the morning. What are we talking about? Like, even if I was still in this trade, my stop if like I didn't drag to here because I wanted to see a wick first, and I dragged my wick to here, I would have put my wick here at this point. So, I mean, granted we could still go. When I got out the 66s, my wick would be here. Yeah, I would have been stopped out here anyways, even if I was just following the candles down. Super homo claim if you watch YouTube. Trader backtest. I fully fucking agree. These people, I don't understand these people. They act like they're gonna become profitable, and then they're like constantly gonna be hanging out with fucking Bill Gates or something like that. I don't like what else changes. Like it's still normal life. People are like, if you were profitable, you wouldn't be sitting in Discord. You wouldn't be that. It's like, well, I'm fucking bored. I like trading, and that's the case. Or like, you wouldn't be watching this random YouTuber if you were profitable or whatever. I hate that claim too. It is so fucking stupid. When I'm trading, I agree. When I'm not trading, I disagree. What do you mean when I'm trading, I agree? When not trading, I disagree. But yeah, like, for some reason, these people act like they're going to become profitable, and then immediately they're the most important people in the world, have these plans all the time, and never have any free time. I watch no one. Trader backtest. I do the same. But like, even a long time ago when I liked watching like Pat, I'd be like, I can't watch him while I trade, and then I just turn them on after, because I'm like, as soon as I'm like, I don't want anybody's bias. I don't want anybody's input. Like, you know what I mean? I feel like when I'm trading, I just want to sit there. But I understand if, like, you do want to sit there. Like, I mean, how I was trading before, like, now I feel like I have to be more paying attention because I don't have, like, just some exact direct setup. But, like, before when I was, like, yeah, when I, like, waited for the exact thing, I felt like I could watch people. But, like, now I want to be more into it. Moving stop loss after 2 points is an emotional look at market conditions. That's what I'm saying on it. Like, I have my reasons, and like I know it sounds like cope because I do see so many people who fucking are like straight spazzes and stuff. But I don't know. I'm different, bro. It's me. I'm different. But like I know it sounds like that, but I mean realistically, look at what I was trying to. Like I shorted literally at fucking VWAP after we've been shopping this entire time. And look at the VIX. Like, the VIX is fucking 17 right now. It's, like, actually low. Or, like, it was even lower. But we just fucking spiked up because of that move, but still. I understand his point, though. Most people who would move stop loss so fast are emotional. No, I agree. But I also, like... I don't know, there's a time and place for it, you know what I mean? Like I said beforehand, like, I'm giving it very little room, because it's like, it just seems like a day where you shouldn't really give it that much room because of where we were, you know what I mean? Like, I mean, I fucking short, like, here. Or where did I fucking short? Yeah, like, here-ish. 85s, maybe? It's like, there's so much chance, not so much chance, but, like, a decent chance we just chop back up. I don't know. Especially I said it before, too. Like, I don't know. You can think what you want. I understand, but... Damn, this Apex account really fucked me. I don't know. I really hope that's a bug in that first trade, like, to actually close when it says it was. But, I mean, for being red, that's good. And I got some decent profit on my take profit trader, which is good. How have you been holding up, Trader Backtest? How you been doing recently? Same with you, Onyx. I don't know what the fuck this gross realized. Like, this got fucked up yesterday, too. I don't know why. I hope it, like, resets at the end of the week and fixes itself, because it's been pissing me off. I've been doing it differently this week, also for like writing my thing. Cause I used to write how much money, but now I'm just writing how many points. Like, or cause I used to write like 1 R in my calendar, but now I don't really have a set RR. So now I'm just writing like points that I've made and lost, kind of. Incredible, May destroyed me. Were you were just starting to trade prop firms recently? Very grateful. Make it through this shit time. So have you been doing good like since June though? Like this month of June? I feel like May. Well, I was also trading differently, but I feel like the fucking market has just gone worse lately. I feel like a lot of people are struggling, and I know like obviously most people are always struggling because most people are unprofitable. But peace out, FFs. I might stream. I'll probably stream tomorrow, honestly. But I gotta see how many points I made. Let me close out of this. Tradify at 5K plus now? Jesus. Soon Landviller, start the account in May, finish negative, now all is well. Jesus. So you've had a really good June then. Good job. What is the payout criteria for Tradify? Is it also... Does Tradify only do straight to funded? I don't know. Look how many Look how many times I'm trading these days. It's 150K size. I gotcha. What do you have to make? Does that mean you have to get up like 9K? Is that what it is? You must be trading more than one mini then, right? 9K. That gives you a nice buffer too, honestly. 6K and buffer. I feel like that's a good part about the bigger accounts. It forces you to build a bigger buffer before you can take out. And then you actually have some fucking room as opposed to like you trade the 50Ks and then you don't have that much drawdown. But alright, let's see. Let me figure out. What did I do with my paper? Let me figure out how many points I made. Was that green on? Oh, it was barely 41.75, 42.50, so 0.75. Next target I have to make 4.5K, then 3K every time. This is the slowest part. So you get to 9K, you take out 3K to make it 6K, and then you have to get it back to 10.5K. And then you can take out 3K again. And then you have to get it back to... Or when you make 10.5K, can you take... Yeah, so if you make get it to 10.5K, can you take out... What is that, 4.5K instead of the 3K? Or is max you can take out 3K? So 78's bought at the 84.50. So what is that? 6.5 point loser. And then sold at 76's 76.50. 74.50, so 2-point winner. And then sold at 85.50. Bought back at 66.50. 85 to, what is that, 19 points? Like this guy say I'm trading emotionally. And it's like, okay, I have one loser of 6.5 points and then like two basically break evens and then a winner of 19 points. Isn't all you need to do keep your losers smaller than your winners? Like, is that the whole point? Max is 3K. I gotcha. Until they move you to live, then it's anything. Is that the goal? Try to get to live? I want to get to live in something. Maybe like My Fun of Futures. Hello all. Hello, Kektum. How are you? It sounds like Rectum. So I made in total, what is that? 21.75 points minus 650. What is that? Something 0.25. That's 50. I made 15.25 points. That's not bad. I'll start writing how many trades I do too. 4 trades. That's not a bad time to sell. I'm doing decent. Actually, I want to see what my accounts are at before I get off. Have you taken any payouts trader back test? Or no? From any prop firms? What are my accounts at, too? Okay. I mean, I'm barely profitable on the week. He said it's that fucking stupid account that got fucked up. It's retarded. I don't know why that happened. My Fund Futures and Top 7. Yeah, nice. Okay. So I'm close to payout. I was at a payout. Now I'm $11 short, but after Monday when I won, but then I lost Tuesday. So, but okay, we did good today. And I think technically I could get a payout on my MyFunded Futures. This one I could take out the 670, but it's just not worth it. But the account, too many rules for me to be consistent. I gotcha. That's the thing though. You gotta figure out what prop firms are good for you. You know what I mean? Like everyone shits. It's like if you don't like the rules, just don't fucking trade it. There's plenty of prop firms out there. Like
Connection
I'm
lost.
just willing to, I'm willing to deal with the rules in order to have the chance of 20 accounts. You know what I mean? I just like the leverage they provide. But oh, I just got a text from Johnny. Rip. That's what I get for not being able to sleep and going to bed at 8 a.m. Yeah. Bad move. Agreed. I wish I could manage an Apex, just not able for me. Yeah. As long as you know. It is nice if you can, but then they just fucking punish. Like, I can't even buy any more accounts from Apex right now because I'm still in, like, review mode, which are just going to probably fucking leave me in forever. Because they are kind of fucking dirtbags, but whatever. Until then, I'm just going to try to take out as much money as I can with the 15 accounts I have. Oh, Lord. I'm in a Ford options call. Not looking so hot. And I was in a fucking I was in a Dow long yesterday. And before this candle came out, it was before news came out, I fucking dragged my stop to here, and I knew it was going to wick below and go, but I'm such a bitch that I was like, I don't want to give back all my profit because I was up like, I mean, up here I was up like 700, but I was sleeping. And then I was like up like 400 around here. And I'm like, I don't want to give back all my profit. Like, this is in my cash account. I'm like, I don't want to give back all my profits. And I'm like, I'm going to drag it here. I know it's going to fucking wick down during news and then fucking continue higher. And what do? We wick down and like, oh my God. Even if I got out here, I had 3 contracts, 3 minis. So that's like 1.5x of what, even if I was still in right now, that's an extra $188 plus half of that, which is what? $90, $95. So it's like, or yeah, if it's 190 right now, and then that's another $95. So it's like, what is that? That's $285 more. So that's, I'd made like $685 if I was still in it right now. Piss me off. I'm such a bitch. I deserve it. But alrighty, I'm calling it. I'm getting off. Peace out.